Across a century, Australians have taken great pride in our RAN, the fine values that it represents in our hearts: dedication to duty, commitment to service. Today we reflect on those noble ideals, the contributions, the achievements, the sacrifices. We do so with respect and admiration.
I feel I could cry watching the ships come up, thinking that my father came here. That's how he came here, was on the ships, and he liked the place so much. He got married here and had 5 children. And I would imagine that I was probably the only one here today whose father actually came out on the ships. So I consider it a great honour.